Hey everybody, what's up? It's Mike from Cornfield Customs, and I'm excited to announce that I will be at Sema this year, and I will be in the Baileigh booth doing demonstrations and what I want to call a shaper sit down, where I sit down and I talk about different issues you guys are having or how to make a part that you're struggling with. And this is more of a one-on-one type discussion platform. Instead of doing like a large demo with 100 to 150 people standing around, it's going to be a little bit of both. We'll get, people asking questions, and I'll walk you through how to do that. And you'll have a note sheet and all that stuff you can take with you to help you grow your skill set at home and practice the principles I tell you about. So I'm really excited to meet a lot of you guys out there and help you with your projects and different things that you need a little bit of input on, or just somebody with a little bit more experience to help you work through these issues on your current projects. So again, I'm really excited to be at Sema, and I will be at booth number 36073, which is the Baileigh booth, and it's in the South Upper Hall. I'll be in the booth with Noah Norwood doing demonstrations and shaper sit down from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and then again at 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. each day. So if you want to stop by the Baileigh booth and do the shaper sit down and discuss with me and Noah Norwood about your projects, get real world experience, advice, and tips and tricks on how to do your project with no BS, no frills, just down to the point, real knowledge, make sure to stop by. Again, that's the Baileigh booth, and that's booth number 36073 in the South Upper Hall. So really looking forward to meeting a lot of you guys, and I'll see you there.